Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Keychron Q1 HE, a keyboard that's making waves in the custom mechanical keyboard community. This isn't just another keyboard. It's Keychron's take on a high-performance, customizable experience, and it's packed with features that are sure to excite both gamers and keyboard enthusiasts alike. The Keychron Q1 HE boasts a 75% layout, striking a balance between functionality and desk space. It's wireless, offering both 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth connectivity, as well as a wired option for those who prefer a direct connection. But what truly sets this keyboard apart are the Hall effect Keychron 2.0 magnetic switches. These aren't your typical mechanical switches. Hall effect switches use magnets to detect key presses, offering a unique advantage: adjustable actuation points. This means you can customize how far down you need to press a key for it to register, leading to faster response times and a more personalized typing or gaming experience. The dynamic rapid triggering is another game changer, allowing for incredibly fast and responsive repeated key presses. For gamers, this can translate to quicker reactions and a competitive edge. The Q1 HE doesn't skimp on build quality either. The entire case is crafted from 6063 aluminum, giving it a substantial, premium feel. This isn't just for aesthetics. The aluminum construction adds durability and stability, ensuring the keyboard can withstand the rigors of daily use. Plus, aluminum is recyclable, making it an environmentally conscious choice. Customization is at the heart of the Keychron Q1 HE. It's QMK VIA compatible, meaning you can remap keys, create macros, and fine-tune the keyboard's behavior to your exact preferences. The hot swappable design allows you to easily change out the switches without soldering, further expanding the customization possibilities. Whether you're a seasoned keyboard enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of custom mechanical keyboards, the Q1 HE offers a wealth of options to tailor it to your needs. The RGB lighting is also worth mentioning. The Q1 HE features per-key RGB lighting, which can be customized through the QMK VIA software. You can create stunning lighting effects or use it to highlight specific keys for different applications. In conclusion, the Keychron Q1 HE is a feature-rich, high-performance keyboard that offers a compelling blend of customization, build quality, and cutting-edge technology. The Hall effect switches are a standout feature, providing a unique and responsive typing and gaming experience. If you're looking for a premium custom mechanical keyboard that can be tailored to your exact preferences, the Keychron Q1 HE is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.